Hello, John.
Hello, Miho.
Good to see you.
Good to see you today.
Now we have John Schnoes, Alliance Global Director for Connected Cars, Services, and Engineering. Now, John, tell us about the connectivity in the Nissan Ariya. How can it change our lives?
Sure, Miho. Our all-new electric crossover, the Nissan Ariya, is the latest way to bring Nissan intelligent mobility across all areas of our customers' lives. We like to call it intelligent integration. It's a new way of interacting with your car from your home, and it learns your preferences, so it gets smarter as it goes along. From your home, you can even do something like set your journey, including a charging spot along the way, so when you get to your final destination, you're fully charged.
Wow, that's all amazing. And I know Nissan has introduced Amazon Alexa into the Nissan Ariya. Tell us about it.
Yeah, so we introduced Amazon Alexa. Alexa, open Ariya. Alexa, check my battery status.
Battery status is at 31%. You can drive 160 kilometers.
So you can do this all inside your house.
Absolutely, inside your house. That way you know you have that comfort when you get inside your car.
All these technologies are just amazing.
Yeah, it's fun.
Now let's go inside the car.
Sure, let's go.
Yeah. Wow, it opened automatically?
It's the intelligent key.
Ah.
So you can see we've built the Nissan Ariya from a user experience viewpoint. So our intelligent HMI places the information in the right places, either on the monolith display or in the color heads-up display in front of the driver. And if you remember, we set our intelligent route planner so it's ready for us to go when we're starting our journey. We also have the Nissan voice control where you can start to say, "Hey Nissan," and you can do things like climate control, navigation, other entertainment features that are located inside of the car. What's really great also is in the Ariya, we have the Nissan ProPilot 2.0. It's the latest driving assist technology, so it gives you a very comfortable feeling while we're using our connected features.
This is pretty cool.
Yep.
Can you show me how these features actually work?
Sure. Inside of the car, we can either swipe or touch or pinch and zoom with where we want to go. What's also great is, remember, we've brought the home into the car. So now we have Amazon Alexa, and we just say, "Alexa, play my driving playlist." And it's really intuitive. You can control it with your voice. What's also great is when you get close to home and you can use your smart home devices that are connected with Amazon Alexa to do things like, "Alexa, turn on my lights."
You can even do that?
Absolutely.
That's really amazing.
And when you get home, you can activate your remote park with your Nissan Intelligent Key. Also, you can make sure that your car is securely locked or check your driving journey history for the day.
Wow, all this is super cool, but how do we update the software?
So it's super easy. Actually, we're planning to add new features to the Nissan Ariya in the future, so we've made sure that updating its software is simple and stress-free. The car's firmware is able to be updated over the air, so you don't even have to go to the service to be able to get things like updated map information or even new features that can be added in the future. Nissan Ariya was designed to be integrated seamlessly with your life, and with these connected features, I really believe it will be.
I think so too. Thank you, John.
Thank you, Miho.